In this section I will tell you how you can set up your email in your WordPress dashboard. And before that I need to provide some introduction about the email address, what are the email addresses and what purpose we use them. So during the initial setup of your WordPress website, the very first thing we do is to create the first administrative user, which means that the user has the complete administrative rights of the dashboard. That user has the email address associated with it, and you can see at two places by going to your dashboard and going to your edit profile. Here you can see over here, this is the email address for the contact info. Any email from the contact form, or you can say a notification will send on this email address. And second one is in the general section of your dashboard. You can go over here and you can see this is the email address of the admin. This email address is used to notify the WordPress updates and in our case default contact form notifications. Initially we fill the email field with the text email address or with the company's email address, but what happens right after the site handed over to you or it has gone live? Previously it was very easy to do so, because to change the email address you were just simply replacing it with your desired one. But now WordPress implemented this change in the 4.9 release and was done for the security reasons. Here is what said during the announcement. A few account security enhancements have gone into the WordPress 4.9 version. The intention is to make it more difficult for an attacker to take over a user account or a site by changing the email address associated with the user or the site, and also to reduce the chance of mistaken or erroneous change causing you to get locked out. Now if you would like to change the email address from the WordPress admin panel, the change does not affect immediately. An email of confirmation link is sent out and must be clicked. So I will go over here in the dashboard and I'm in my profile and I'm gonna change this one to kodegems@gmail.com, and I will hit update profile, and here you can see there is a pending change of your email to kodegems@gmail.com. So I will go to my inbox and hit that confirmation link to change my email address. So here you can see I finally got the email address from my WordPress dashboard. So you can see over here Kodegems and new email address, and I will click this link and I will go over here and see, you can see over here I have successfully changed the email address of your WordPress admin panel. So in this way you can set up email addresses in your WordPress dashboard. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any query, so you can ask me in the comment section below, and I will definitely very much happy to answer your questions. For more informative videos, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Kodegems, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos.